variation of voltage with current. Okay, how does the value of current change when I change the voltage in this apparatus? Before I start this, the first thing to be kept in mind as frequency is always kept greater than the threshold frequency, and it is kept at a constant level. Okay, you are not allowed to change the frequency. Next thing, intensity of light is constant. The intensity of the source and the intensity of the light is supposed to be constant. When we were studying intensity versus current, ठीक है, तो हमने वोल्टेज को कांस्टेंट रखा था, ठीक है, ताकि वो बीच में डिस्टर्ब ना करे. अभी हम वोल्टेज को कंसीडर कर रहे हैं, तो हम इंटेंसिटी ऑफ लाइट को कांस्टेंट रखेंगे. ठीक है, I will be changing the voltage, but at the same time I am keeping the intensity of light constant. Actually, in any experiment, if there are five physical quantities, you are studying any two of them, you are studying the relation between these two quantities, then the other quantities must be remaining constant. ठीक है, तभी आपको इन दोनों के बीच का सही रिलेशन का आइडिया आएगा. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट, आई एम कीपिंग द वोल्टेज इक्वल्स टू 0. हाउ मच? द applied voltage is 0. The light is coming from the source, it is striking the emitter plate, which is a photosensitive material, and from here electrons are emitted. ठीक है ना. Now electrons will be emitted in random directions, ऐसे भी, ऐसे भी, ऐसे भी, ऐसे भी. ठीक है, they will be emitted in random directions. Now out of these randomly fired electrons, there will be some electrons which will be fired straight away towards the cathode. That means they will be reaching this terminal, the collector terminal, and because of these electrons there will be a very small current flowing in the circuit. Although applied potential difference is 0, लेकिन कुछ electrons अपने आप ही collector की तरफ emit हुए हैं, वहां जा रहे हैं, and when they reach the collector they will make some current. So even at 0 voltage there will be some current. The graph will start from this point. Okay, see, at this point what is voltage? Voltage is 0, but the current is non-zero. Now we increase the voltage. Let us make it at, I'm taking just hypothetical values. Let me take it as 0.5 volts. What happens at 0.5 volts? When you apply plus 0.5 volt over here, it has to be plus 0.5. What happens? Few electrons which were not going to touch the collector, they will be attracted with the positive potential. They will change their path a little bit, and they will also be reaching collector. So more number of electrons are reaching the collector. That means current will now increase. The current will increase as you increase the voltage. मैंने दोनों को बढ़ा दिया, voltage को भी बढ़ा दिया और current को भी बढ़ा दिया. Now I change this to plus 1 volt. If I change it to plus 1 volt, the attraction of collector terminal, this collector will become strong and more electrons will be coming towards it. Attraction is more electrons are coming towards it, more current will be there in the circuit. So if I increase the voltage further, the current will again increase linearly. Now let us make it as 5 volt. At 5 volt, what is happening? All the electrons that were emitted from the emitter, whether they were in straight direction or perpendicular direction or any direction, the strong of this positive potential is so much that it is able to pull up all the electrons that are emitted from the emitter, and it will absorb all the electrons. So again, what is happening? If you increase the voltage further, the current will again increase. All right, now if I change this 5 to 6 volts, पहले प्लस 5 था, अभी मैंने इसको 1 वोल्ट बढ़ा दिया. नाउ दिस इज प्लस 6 वोल्ट्स. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नाउ? आर देयर मोर नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अवेलेबल? नो. इंटेंसिटी ऑफ लाइट इज केप्ट कांस्टेंट, so the number of photons coming are becoming constant, so the number of electrons that are emitted, they are remaining constant. At 5 volt all the electrons were able to reach the collector. All right, At 6 volts also, the same number of electrons will be able to reach the cathode. So now if I increase the voltage, the current will not change. ठीक है, स्ट्रेट लाइन बनाया ऐसे straight. So voltage is changing, but current is not changing. Now even if I make it to 8 volts, oh my god, 8 volts, again what is going to happen? All the electrons that were to reach the collector, they had already reached the collector at 5 volts. So now if you keep on increasing the applied voltage, nothing is going to happen. The current will saturate like this. वोल्टेज बढ़ाते जाओ, अब आपका करंट बिल्कुल भी नहीं इंक्रीज होगा. राइट, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डू समथिंग उल्टा. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डू समथिंग उल्टा. व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज, नाउ I will adjust the commutator, and instead of providing positive potential to the cathode, I will apply negative potential. कलेक्टर पे मैं कैसा पोटेंशियल बनाऊंगा? अब नेगेटिव पोटेंशियल क्रिएट किया है. ओके, लेट इट बी -0.1 वोल्ट. व्हाट इज -0.1 वोल्ट? एट दिस वोल्टेज very few electrons will be coming towards the collector. Okay, this negative potential will of course repel the electrons, but still if some electrons have very high momentum, then in spite of repulsion they will be able to reach the collector. So when I come to the negative side, the collector the current will become less. Current कम होता जाएगा. Okay, now I make it -0.5. again the current will reduce. कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स तो अपने हाई मोमेंटम की वजह से कलेक्टर पे जाएंगे ही जाएंगे. ओके, नाउ सपोज इफ आई मेक इट एज -1.2. ये सारे हाइपोथेटिकल वोल्टेजेस हैं, डोंट टेक दिस नंबर्स सीरियसली, इट इज जस्ट फॉर द कंसेप्ट. ओके, -1.2. द मोमेंट आई मेक पोटेंशियल -1.2, जो हाई मोमेंटम वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन्स थे, दे विल ऑल्सो गेट रिपेल्ड एंड नॉट इवन ए सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन विल रीच द कलेक्टर. ओके, not even a single electron will reach the collector, and the graph will reach at this point where the voltage is negative voltage and the current in the circuit will become equal to 0. All right, this particular potential at which the photocurrent, the current in the circuit is flowing because of photoelectrons, so we call it photocurrent. Okay, the moment the voltage reaches this value, the value of photocurrent will be equal to 0, and this particular voltage is known as stopping potential. What it is known as? It is known as stopping potential, right?